metaphysical change existing. You fine with that?
Yeah, let's debate about
Okay,
metaphysical things existing. Yeah,
okay. Fine. What are you taking the positive or negative, bro?
I'm taking the negative. I'll take the negative.
Okay, I think. My God, I think that physical change. If I'm a human being and I exist within a physical reality, I think something metaphysical would just be beyond physical. So obviously, I can epistemically affirm that I would have no knowledge of what something metaphysical is because it's outside of my scope or reach.
Okay,
It's unattainable to me.
wait,
Simple.
hold on. So if you don't know, then why? How would you like make like a discernment or like a discernment that like it would exist within like a
Bro,
physical like area existing within
I'm
like a
arguing
metaphysical
off of
realm, right? So if the
bro.
ontological value of these two like
What?
metaphysical attributes exist
Oh
within
my God.
reality, then how would we like define like what metaphysicality is if we don't have like an
Okay, you
analytical
just said it.
definition?
You just said quantify the existence. You're retarded, bro. I'm
Wait,
saying
what?
that
Okay, yeah,
how,
I didn't say
bro.
quantify the existence. You're
Can
retarded.
I explain? Oh my God, dude. I'm not, bro. Listen, here's the argument. I'm saying that obviously, in the case where we exist in a physical realm, I'm using doubt to affirm the idea that metaphysical things can exist. They aren't contradictory. They wouldn't contradict any three laws of thought, so they can possibly exist. That's the argument I'm trying to make here. I'm
Okay,
not
yeah,
saying they.
metaphysical change is just gonna be defined by like units beyond the physical realm, right? So if change is like defined by like units in the physical realm, therefore metaphysical change can't exist because we can't make a correlation
What?
from a non-physical realm to like a physical realm, right? You'd have to prove that like metaphysical change exists, so you'd be begging the question.
Bro, oh
Like,
my God. I'm saying that it doesn't break the three laws of thought because analytically, something metaphysical would be beyond something physical. We wouldn't be able to understand what something metaphysical is because it's beyond our physical reach and scope. I'm not saying that I can make a claim that metaphysical things exist based off of our lack of understanding. I'm rather affirming it wouldn't be a contradiction because we exist in a physical realm where something metaphysical is unattainable.
wait, hold on. So wait, you
Not
you
map.
saying this?
Wait,
Wait, hold on, hold on,
wait,
hold on.
wait,
Okay, go
wait.
ahead.
Oh my God. You cannot map anything. You cannot map any epistemic scope from a physical realm to something metaphysical. This literally would be a contradiction. It wouldn't make sense.
Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna just say is like you just keep like arguing that's like not a contradiction for it to like exist like affirmatively. But what I'm trying to say is like that's not an argument, right? You saying that there's no contradiction is just gonna hold like affirmative within like a reality scope or like a
What?
existential scope, right? So if the
What? What do
existential
you
like
mean by that?
properties of these two things exist
What do you mean
simultaneously,
by
then we could
that?
like
What do
wait,
you mean by that?
wait, hold on,
Huh?
chill out,
Bro, I'm
chill
just
out,
asking.
bro, chill, bro. Okay, yo, thank you for muting them. So wait, Careless. So what I'm trying to say, right? Is if we have these two like properties that we can look at like affirmatively and looking at it from like an existential viewpoint, then we can ontologically come to like a conclusion that these things exist metaphysically, which means that they're not the same as existing physically, right? So there's gonna be like a huge like burden that you'd have to prove that it could like exist simultaneously, or like the non-contradiction for it would be like capitalized. So yo, can someone unmute him?
Can you shut up, bro? I'm saying the argument is that they wouldn't break your three laws of thought because there is no way to understand what something metaphysical is because of our lack of knowledge of something metaphysical. We only have we only know the set of all things that relate to something physical, not the set of all things that relates to something metaphysical. Because something metaphysical would transcend our understanding of something physical. Simple. I'm
What do you mean?
merely just trying, and this
Okay.
simultaneous existence is fucking retarded. I'm saying they can exist in another possible world. They don't
Wait,
have
hold
to
on. So
exist
wait,
at the same time.
wait. Just because it exists, like, wait, hold on. You're presupposing that other possible worlds exist, right? So, like, unless you're like a modal
Okay, if they don't
realist or
break,
something,
if
hold on.
what the
Wait, hold
fuck?
on. Unless you're
If
like a
they don't
modal
break the three
realist or
laws
some
of thought
shit,
they
then you
exist, what the fuck is this nigga talking
wait,
about?
hold on, wait. What? That doesn't mean they exist, right? We can't affirm like
Yeah,
potentiality
there's
to
no
exist
contradiction behind
simultaneously, right?
them
Because
existing in real life.
potentiality doesn't exist within reality. It's just something that could happen, but doesn't mean that it is happening, right?
What?
So
Yeah,
possible
I
worlds
know
that
that.
don't actually
Obviously,
exist.
bro. Are you
They're
okay?
just like possible like intuitions of like
Obviously,
your
when
brain,
I
right?
say,
They're just
bro,
mind dependent
obviously
things
when
that
I say
exist
possible
existentially
world,
or like
obviously when
non-existentially
I say
to
possible world, I'm
existence, right?
not saying
So
they
if we're
actually
looking at these
exist within
epistemic
reality.
possibilities and these
I'm saying
epistemic
they exist in
possibilities
a
exist
different reality
non-affirmatively,
that's
which is just gonna be
unaccessible
like
to
a
us.
contradiction to like the
When you
laws
say
of thought,
something
right?
is
So it's just gonna be a
contingently true,
linguistical
saying it
contradiction and like
actually
an
exists
entiomic
would be a
contradiction
contradiction.
that
That's
exists
fucking stupid.
ontologically but
I'm not
doesn't exist
saying they
ontologically, right?
exist
So
within
the
our
ontological
reality, but
parasitical
they can exist
event
in
of these two
another
things exist
reality.
simultaneously.
Simple.
Wait, hold up, bro. Yo,
Fuck.
gotta keep cutting me off, bro. Like,
You've been cutting me off this entire fucking time, bro. I don't
no, I
believe it.
haven't.
You
Okay, yeah,
literally
we could
have.
just
You've
go to
been cutting me off
conclusions.
the entire
Yeah, we
time.
could go to conclusions. We could go to conclusions.
Okay, we can. Yes, we definitely can. You did not attack a single thing I said, bro. You
Okay.
kept burning like a motherfucker too. So I'm gonna just go
So
ahead.
we can have Ninja. Yeah, we can have Ninja and Judge. Yeah, we can have Ninja and
Okay,
Judge.
sure. Yeah, sure. We can have Ningen judge.
What? No, I don't agree.
So Ningen, do you need conclusions?
You guys are acting as if I was tracking that. Hunter was probably tracking.
Yeah, I think Shade was tracking, so we could conclude the Shade. Shade,
No,
you
he
could give like
retarded.
yeah, Shade, you could give conclusions.
I'd rather just give conclusions to Ningen.
But I don't think Ninja wants to give conclusions.
Ningen, do you want to hear conclusions to go off of that?
I mean, I could. Yeah, you can go ahead and say. I mean, I have a recording, so I can just always look back after and
Okay,
give you guys.
got you. Okay, so basically, what happened is that this dude's being retarded. He basically was putting into question how something metaphysical can exist, and all I was arguing for is that they can possibly exist. He then put into question why possible worlds exist. I'm saying they can exist via the three laws of thought as they don't break it. Like the fuck. In a different possible world, it can be possible. I'm basing that off of the idea that if we exist in a physical reality, metaphysical knowledge is unattainable because we only have an epistemic understanding of all things physical, not all things metaphysical, as it would transcend our epistemological. So then I'm correlating that to the idea that something metaphysical can possibly exist. We just can't understand it because it would transcend our understanding. So everything that we can map onto reality is physical. Everything that's in the metaphysical can map onto reality would just be distinct from something physical. You won't be able to understand it point blank. Period. He kept he thought I was saying that it actually exists. When I clarify several times, I'm saying it can possibly exist. He can go ahead, bro.
Okay, wait, hold on. So first of all, the topic was literally if metaphysical change exists, not if metaphysicality exists, right? So that's gonna be like a tracking error number one. He never justified like the burden of that, like just because it's not a contradiction, that means like it won't exist within reality. Something could not be a contradiction but still have no like epistemic value or like ontological framework value like that exists within reality, right? Its existential properties does not exist simultaneously with our like existential framework. So like I said, he never like justified that burden. That's all I need to say. I don't need to get any more.
This nigga is so dumb. So
Alright.
Ninja, who do you think went off of that?
I'll watch the recording and then I'll give it to you guys. I don't think I can give like proper judgment right now.
All right.
Alright.